Hello, everyone. My name is Tiffany Bolding, and I'm a teacher at Washington Junior High School in Bentonville, Arkansas. Today, I want to take you on a journey through two transformative experiences in my professional life and reflect on how they've shaped me both personally and as an educator. My time working at Ridout Lumber was more than just a job. It was a training ground for essential life skills. Every day presented new challenges from managing inventory to addressing customer needs. In that environment, I quickly learned the importance of excellent customer service, listening carefully to understand the unique requirements of each customer and finding solutions tailored to their goals. Beyond customer service, I gained hands on experience in tile and lumber sales, mastering the art of understanding product specifications and matching them to customer needs. I also learned how to inventory and move lumber efficiently, ensuring accuracy and minimizing waste. Attention to detail was the final piece of the puzzle. In an industry where precision matters, whether it's delivering materials or keeping inventory accurate, even minor oversights could have significant consequences. Rideout Lumber taught me to focus on the small things that collectively lead to success. These skills, customer service, teamwork, and attention to detail, weren't just valuable in the moment. They've become foundational principles that influence how I approach challenges in everyday life, including education. As a teacher, I strive to instill a love for learning and curiosity in my students. One of my proudest accomplishments is the development of my Strive STEM curriculum centered on chemical and physical properties and changes. I was able to pilot my curriculum into 16 of our 7th grade science classrooms at Washington Junior High. My curriculum aimed to make abstract scientific concepts tangible and relatable. Students explored hands on experiments, observing phenomena like physical properties of tile and lumber, along with chemical reactions, and applied their observations to real world scenarios. One particularly exciting project involved students designing two flooring options for ride out customers using their newly acquired knowledge about chemical and physical properties of tile and lumber. This project allowed them to apply their understanding of material durability, aesthetics, and practical applications in a meaningful way. The students not only gained confidence in their ability to apply science to solve real world problems, but also developed a stronger appreciation for the relevance of STEM concepts in everyday life. The impact of this curriculum was clear in both qualitative and quantitative terms. Pre and post test assessments revealed significant gains in students' understanding of chemical and physical properties and changes, as well as a growing interest in STEM. My data shows substantial improvement in students' ability to recognize and explain chemical reactions, with post test results demonstrating a 60% increase in correct responses compared to pre tests. Students also demonstrated a deeper understanding of scientific principles as evidenced by their improved performance in tasks requiring application and problem solving skills. One of the most memorable part of the curriculum involves students using their knowledge of chemical changes to design a safe and eco-friendly cleaning solution. This hands-on activity showcased their creativity and enthusiasm, with many students expressing newfound interest in pursuing science careers. Designing and implementing my Strive curriculum was transformative for me as well. It deepened my understanding of how to make learning engaging and impactful, reinforced my belief in the importance of fostering curiosity, and reminded me of the profound impact teachers can have on students' lives. It also honed my ability to assess learning outcomes meaningfully and adapt instruction to meet diverse needs. Ultimately, the skills I cultivated at Rideout Lumber, customer service, teamwork, and attention to detail, became instrumental in my teaching. Whether it's understanding and addressing the unique needs of students, collaborating with colleagues to refine curriculum, or ensuring that every lesson is meticulously planned, these lessons have empowered me to be a more effective and empathetic educator. Participating in the STRIVE program has profoundly shaped my approach as a teacher. The program's mission to prepare and empower Arkansas's future STEM workforce by increasing awareness of STEM career opportunities has transformed how I view my role in the classroom. I've learned to integrate real world applications into my lessons, showing students not only the relevance of STEM skills, but also the diversity of career paths available to them. In reflection on these experiences, I'm reminded of how seemingly unrelated roles and industries can intersect to shape who we are. The lessons from Rideout Lumber and my STEM curriculum have not only strengthened my professional capabilities, but also deepened my commitment to empower others by fostering curiosity, collaboration, and resilience in my students. I hope to prepare them for a future where they too can embrace challenges and achieve excellence. Thank you so much for your time.